Hello everyone, and welcome back to Global Education Zone. And in this particular episode, we are going to be dealing with web design packages. Now, basically, a web design package is a typical kind of application that has been specifically designed and tailored to work with the internet. And in this case, it works with the internet, works in the internet, and then works along with the internet. So you can say the internet has redefined the borders of our modern world. So that is why we need web design packages too. And these web design packages are like the interface between a computer and the internet. Now, the the website design means the planning, creation, and updating of websites. So website design also involves the information architecture and website structure, user interface, navigation ergonomics, human factor, and website layouts, and so on and so forth. So these are basically things that has to do with the HMI, or let's call it human machine interaction, or let's call it human computer interaction. So basically, we will devote another video to this, but in this episode, let's talk about web design. So, but you should know that this web design they are often implemented. These web design products are implemented and made. You making use of and adhering to the principles of human machine interface and user interface. So now we have a web page. So the first step to setting up a web application is to understand its composites and its components. The main component and the only component of a web application is setting up web pages. So that is the main thing. So no matter how bogus the name is, no matter how wonderful the application might be, as long as it can make or set up web pages, it is good to go. So a web page is a text that contains the hypertext markup language, HTML, formatting tags, and links to graphics files and other pages through a web browser. So in other words, it is an interactive form of communication that uses a computer network. So basically, you can call it that interactive form that uses computer internet connection. Now there are different types of web packages. We have iWeb. So this iWeb it allows users to create websites and blogs. So we also have the Microsoft Front Page. The Microsoft Front Page is a website publishing program which was released by Microsoft and is one of the popular websites. We also have the Adobe Dreamweaver. We have the Microsoft Expression Web 3 and Studio. We have the Web Plus. We have Net Object Fusion, Amaya, and so on and so forth. So these are the different types of web design packages, and hopefully in a separate episode of this channel I'll be talking about HTML, and we'll be trying to code with HTML. So I know many of you can't wait to start programming. In this channel we will also program. I'll teach you guys how to program and so on and so forth. But this is as far as you can go in web design, and you can also try the questions on the screen. So explain the meaning of the term web design and so on and so forth. So hopefully you enjoyed this episode, and I hope you see me next episode.